What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into this video. This is Get Ready with Rika, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. This is my first YouTube tutorial, so it was definitely a success for me, and I hope it will be a success to me, and I'm really excited for it. If you all could please follow me on social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm pretty responsive if you have questions or need answers to something, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys like this video. It was definitely fun for me to do, and I'm looking forward to making more videos this year and in years to come. Like I said, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below, or follow me on social media. Ask them in a DM. I don't care. So if you have questions or just concerns about makeup tips, anything like that, just feel free to message me. And I really am looking forward to making more videos and showing you guys my tutorials.